Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. Guys, I am glad that you are here. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. Had a busy day. Lido got his checkup and has gained 5 pounds in 4 weeks. He is a healthy, handsome dude, and I am grateful. But he's upstairs sleeping because the whole vet thing just kind of wore his sweet little butt out. So I figured I'd come down here and do a little playing today. But before I do, I'm going to show you the 2 finished pieces from one of my last videos because people requested, Kathleen, let's see it, after you're kind of done with it. So let me go ahead and grab those, guys. This was from a couple of videos ago. I think I showed it in my last video, but this baby is completely dry. This is the swipe that I did on an unflooded canvas, and I am so pleased with it, guys. It has a lot of wonderful texture, and I'm certainly going to be doing a little bit more with this technique. Let me get its big brother. Now this was done with the same colors, but I flooded the canvas with a base coat, and it's a lovely swipe. I love these beautiful, delicate colors. And oop, there's a hair. I love the silver base coat. My pouring medium, guys, with the GAC 800 in it, just leaves a wonderful archival shine. You don't have to varnish these if you don't want to. So, but I do for a little extra protection. And this guy was from yesterday's video. He is still a little damp, but I love these colors. All 3 of these paintings were done with these same colors. The only difference with this one is I added some mixed pouring medium to thicken up my paints, because when I do my swipes, I like my paints thinner than when I do my ring pours or anything other than a swipe. So I use my mix to thicken it up. Let me go ahead and put this back, guys. So let's talk about what we're doing today. We're working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, guys. When you buy these in bulk from Michaels, the price is about 1/3. They come in a box of 6, and I can't remember what I paid for them, but it was even better than the buy one get 2 free. So check that out, the bulk purchasing part of Michaels. And I apologize, I don't know exactly what it's called. Our base coat today is going to be something different because I was fiddling with this pearl medium the other day, and some really cool effects happened. This is by Vallejo, and it even says on here, pearl medium, an acrylic medium formulated with mica, which can be mixed with your acrylic colors to create an iridescent luster, or applied by itself for a silvery iridescent effect. Now, I have used the Sargent's Pearlescence in some of my paints to give it a bit of a pop and a shimmer, but they accidentally sent me this, and I thought to myself, my goodness, let's play with it. I actually used it as part of the base coat on the unflooded swipe that I did a couple of days ago. So our base coat today is just this with my pouring medium, which today is 75%, 50% Floetrol and 50% golden GAC 800. I did not need to add any water to this. It just worked out to be the best consistency. Now, that reminds me of a question that a few people have asked me. They said, Kathleen, you used to use 75% Floetrol and 25% golden GAC 800. Why did you change your pouring medium? Well, After playing and testing and fiddling and experimenting, I discovered that my swipes work better for me when my pouring medium is thinner. Floetrol is thicker than GAC 800, so I lowered the amount of Floetrol and I upped the amount of GAC 800 to make my pouring medium more fluid. So I hope that answers your question, guys. Let's talk about our colors here. Our colors are yummy. I'm going to not mix these up. This is our golden fluid acrylics, and that's the iridescent gold, mixed with the same pouring medium as my base coat, 50% Floetrol and 50% golden GAC 800. I don't know if you can see that consistencies, but we're getting simple today, and we're getting our gold on, which all of us girly girls like. This pretty color right here, I wanted to use some golden iridescent bronze, but I was out of this, and digging around in my little baby Art Alchemies, I found this. This is Art Alchemy, and this is the ancient coin. So that's what's in this cup right here. Love these paints, just wish there was more of them. In this cup right here is what I might be dipping my swiping tool in. That is just our base coat, which is the pearl medium mixed with our pouring medium. I just put a little cup of it aside so that I don't use it all up. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I've got two swiping tools. I got my handy dandy plastic, which is just a cut up report cover, the plastic on a report cover cut into different sizes. The shorter the size and the fatter, the more pressure that you can apply when you're swiping. And the longer the piece is, the least amount of pressure you can apply to your swipe. So the size of your swiping tool is important. We also have different size damp paper towels cut up. So I'm just gonna fiddle. I'm down here playing, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's put some tunes on for you, some tunes on for me. Let's get busy.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. I'm standing